Beneath the vast surface of the ocean, where sunlight slowly fades and silence takes over, time does not truly disappear. It waits. Hidden under layers of cold blue water lie stories the world has long forgotten. Stories of war, sacrifice, and lives forever changed. Today, we descend into that forgotten world. Far below the waves, resting quietly on the ocean floor, are the remnants of World War II. Fighter planes frozen in formation, massive aircraft carriers broken yet imposing, and cockpits that once held men who never return home. Corroded metal replaces roaring engines, and drifting sand covers what was once a battlefield in the sky and at sea. As our lights cut through the darkness, shapes begin to emerge. A pilot's seat still strapped in place. Control panels eroded by decades of salt and time. Rows of aircraft resting side by side, as if waiting for orders that will never come. Fish now swim where pilots once sat, and coral grows over weapons built for destruction. Nature has reclaimed these machines, but it has not erased their meaning. This is more than an underwater exploration. It is a journey into history itself. Every wreck tells a silent story of fear and courage, of duty and loss. These aircraft and ships are not merely relics. They are underwater memorials, preserving the final moments of a global conflict that shaped the modern world. As we move deeper, the ocean becomes quieter, heavier. Each bubble rises like a whisper from the past. Each shadow holds a memory. Here, beneath the sea, history still breathes. Join us as we dive into the depths to uncover what remains, not to disturb, but to remember. Because even in silence, the past still speaks.